So Facebook or Meta is making it a little bit harder to find your actual Meta ads or Facebook ads base code if you want to install it on your website. So here's how you do it. You'll go to adsmanager.facebook.com or business.facebook.com, and then you want to navigate to your events manager. And if you don't see it, you can always click on the little 3 lines, which is just a hamburger menu, to open up your options. You'll see events manager, shortcut, and then you'll also see it in your list of options. But either way, however you get there, go to events manager and then click on data sources, because your pixel is a data source. So then it'll bring up your pixel, and you may have a list of other ones. So just make sure you're in the correct pixel. And then, just like I do here, you may have some alerts that you can ignore for the time being while you set up your pixel. Whoops. Okay, we're going to ignore that. And then under Event Activity, over to the right, you'll see Manage Integrations, okay? Over to the right here. So we're going to click Manage Integrations, and then you'll see Metapixel. To the right of that, click Manage, and then Install Pixel on New Website, and then Install Code Manually. Okay, and then here, you want to go up to the left where it says Install Base Code, because the code that you want to put onto your website is your base code. So click on Install Base Code, and then here is where it is. So you can just click the green button that says Copy Code, and now it is copied, and you can go add it to the, well, just as it says here, you can go add the pixel code into the header section of your website. And that's how you do that. I hope that's helpful. So one thing I will say is that we can see that they are really, really, really pushing the Conversions API. The Conversions API integration rather than installing the base code. So it's fine to do the base code, but just realize that they really are pushing the Conversions API for more accurate data transmission. So just something to keep in mind is that if you haven't gotten around, like me, to setting up your Conversions API yet, it should probably be something on your horizon. Best of luck.